Now, is this a problem worth solving? This is a key piece of the validation you need to do long before you write a single line of code, long before you hire a development agency like Minimal Viable Launch to help you build and launch a product. We need to start thinking about, like, is this an idea I should even be spending my time on? So what is the step-by-step process for this? Like, I do not want you flogging a dead horse. There are some ideas that will just never work because the market is just not there and will not support the level of investment that you need, okay? So how do you do this validation? We have here the idea validation matrix. This is something that we use with all of our customers here at Minimum Viable Launch when we're talking, in the early stages of developing their product and their idea. Is this an idea that is actually worth pursuing? On the y-axis, you have high usage and value, low usage and value. And on the x-axis, we're moving from few users, a niche product, to many users, a mass market product, okay? If your idea, when you go through these series of questions, lands on any of these two bottom quadrants here, you need to go back to the drawing board and either change things about your idea or just scrap the idea entirely, okay? So let's go from bottom left and we'll work our way through it. Bottom left, this is just a company, this is the dead horse, right? It is dead on arrival. There is very few users, it is a niche product, and the problem that it solves is low value, so it doesn't do something very remarkable, it doesn't solve a burning hair problem that someone is happy and willing and excited to pay to have solved, or it is low usage. It is used once a year, once every 2 years. That means that you're going to have to invest a lot of money in getting this software built over time, maintained, and the running costs of that. But it's never going to earn that much money because there's just not enough customers there and it's not valuable enough. People want free, like this problem solving for free. The most dangerous place to land is on the bottom right because this is where we can kid ourselves that this thing might actually work. Okay, these are the money pits. This is where there is many potential users, but it's low usage or low value. And this is where you start to see products that have freemium versions of them and they're forever trying to be really scrappy to say, hey, come in here for free because we know you're not really interested in paying to have this problem solved up front, and then we'll try and upsell you or over time minimize the number of features you get in the freemium version. And what they find is that they could just never get those customers off of that freemium version because the problem's not high enough value. But you can sit here pouring millions and millions and millions into this company and never having a chance of being successful. So if you do find yourself in those bottom quadrants, what you need to do is either find a more painful problem to solve, which is higher value, or up the frequency of usage so that it becomes a product that is in someone's daily habit of use. It solves a small problem constantly and removes an annoyance in doing so, okay? My absolute favorite place to innovate in is this top left quadrant here. We call these the zebras. It has few possible users, so it's a niche product. But in being niche, it can be much higher value, much easier because it is a laser focused product. It solves a specific problem for a specific type of customer. It is high usage or high value in doing so. These are profitable companies, they're sustainable companies, they usually are bootstrapped, they don't take on investment, they grow more slowly at the beginning, but their customers absolutely love this product because it understands them so well, it understands their world, and they just buzz off of using this product, okay? So we love working here, and it is a great place to be. If you have a problem and then you just niche down on that problem, you can make it more high value because your solution to that problem become more remarkable. On the top right quadrant here, this is where you've got your mass market products. This is your unicorn billion-dollar exit kind of territory. It's high usage, it's high value, it has many users. They often take an awful lot of investment to get off the ground. You're looking for scale to really make the economics work here. There's many videos out there online on how you launch the next unicorn company.